Yo, what's good? It's your boy Dakari back at it again today with another video for you guys. I do have a car mod for you guys. I'm getting rid of these right here. These side markers. I'm getting sick and tired of this right here. It's a freak. Alright guys, so pretty much to get these installed, we're gonna have to take off the front bumper. There's gonna be 2 bolts over here, 2 bolts on the other side, and there's gonna be 2 tabs up underneath, and I'll show you guys how to do all that in case you guys are wondering how to do this and you guys want to install these yourself. We'll drop a link in description on where y'all can get these. I really think these will look much better with this versus that. So, yeah. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get a socket with extension with a 10 mil, and you're going to want to get this bolt right here. Let me see if I can get it to adjust. And there's another one right here. Yep, there it goes right there. I'm gonna go ahead and do that for you. We got the first side done. Now we're about to move on to the other. I'm not gonna record that one because, I just showed you guys what to do on this side. It's the exact same process on the other side. Alright, now that I had gotten the bolts on both sides taken off, so now my bumper is pretty much off, and we gotta take off these little thumb tabs right here. So you're gonna just pop every single one of these off, just like that. There we go, just like that. And yes, I am missing some of these, but it's okay because I'm gonna go get some today. I'm gonna take these off. Move these right over here. Now your radiator cover should just come right off like that. Drop one. And then, let's see here. You're gonna remove these right here. I think these are 10 mils as well. Yes, they are. So you're just gonna take these off. And you're gonna do the same thing on that side over there. Alright guys, I just got the 3 8mm bolts taken off. I don't know how well you can see that. They're gonna be one right there, one right there, and another one right there. And so now pretty much your bumper should be pretty much ready. Uh-oh, there goes the grill to come off. Hold on. Alright, and the bumper is off. So now what we gotta do is we gotta disconnect all of these. Alrighty guys, so I got both of them out now. And I'm about to go ahead and install the new ones on there, but I ain't gonna lie, these things are a pain in the ass to get off. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install the new ones. Show you how to do that. It's fairly simple. It's really not hard, it just takes a little bit of elbow grease sometimes. It's pretty simple guys to do this, honestly. You just clip it in just like that right there. You put the clips in right here. You clip it in right there, and it's pretty much an easy process. So I'm gonna just go ahead and knock this out, and I will show you guys the final process when I'm done. And yeah. Alright, so just a little update for you guys. I did have to run to AutoZone because my turn signals were unmatched. This one is an orange one, as you can see, and this one was a white one. So I went to AutoZone, and I got 2 new ones. So this way, I don't really have to worry about it. And my OCD would drive me crazy just seeing an orange turn signal on one side, and then, like the white on the other. Just no good. So yeah. So this is pretty much where I'm at. I got it pretty much all installed. As you guys can see, I'm about to put the car back together, and then yeah. Alright guys, so I got the 3 pins back underneath the car, so now I just gotta put these little push pins back in. I'll go ahead and do that, and then I will give you guys a final reveal on how the car looks. It looks way better without those turn signals, I swear. Those orange turn signals are the ugliest thing I've ever seen. Get that back in. Where's the other ones? There they go. All right, you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. So much better. Maybe I'll just turn the car on real quick so you guys can see the light. Let's go see how they look. Oh man, so much better. I'll get LED bulbs in there eventually, but for now, it'll do. Alright guys, I hope y'all pretty much enjoyed that video that I had for you guys today. I do have some more stuff coming for you guys this week actually. I'm not going to really spill too much on what I have, but I have at least 2 more videos coming for you guys this week. So if you guys did enjoy, please drop a like, drop a comment if you have any questions or anything. If you want to say what's up, that's cool, just say what's up, man. So yeah, till next time, I'll catch y'all later. Take it easy. I'm out.